Hey y'all, there was a request to make a video on how you could help organize some of these important documents that we're receiving. I myself have felt a little bit overwhelmed with being able to keep track of these documents that I have to keep going back to. And it reminded me of a old carpenter rule that if you're going to perform an action more than 4 times, you make a jig for it so it makes your process faster and easier. So my tool here is using bookmarks and more specifically a bookmark folder to keep track of these tools. What I've done is I've created this virtual learning folder which has various documents that I can quickly reference within 2 clicks. I can quickly come up here if I need the student schedule, click on virtual learning, student schedules, boom, right there. How you go about doing that is this works for any website address. Let's say I want to do this virtual learning check-in. I'd open that document up, and using this document, I simply click the star button, which is this bookmark tab, and then it asks me to name it. I like to make them a little bit shorter, and I'll show you why in a second. And then it also asks me location. I'll get into that in a second. Right now it's just going to go on the bookmark bar, so when I hit done, it just shows up right there next to the rest of the stuff that I've bookmarked. From there, if I wanted to enter that into my folder, I could simply click and drag it in. Another way to do this, if I ever want to remove it, I can remove this way. Another way to enter it into that folder is hit star again, and then just simply make sure to put it in the virtual learning folder. And I'm just going to name this for my own reference, mentor check-in. And that helps me, a little cognitive trick to help me remember what that document is. If you ever need to make a folder, you can right click up here and click add folder. Again, I'm just clicking right on this bookmark bar, right click, add folder, and I can make a name right there. It's a trick I use to help me get those documents that I'm constantly pulling up over and over again. If you want a list of documents I've used or I have in my folder, shoot me an email. But I hope that helps you stay a little more organized. Thanks.